Ken Surfs here with another video. A couple of weeks ago I did a shave with the Mula R41 razor for the first time, and I was using the Razor Tobacco 2 soap. And man, I really love the R41. And in your comments and in your email, somebody had asked how that compares to the Pearl open comb razor. Well, I hadn't tried a Pearl open comb razor, but today in the mail, 2 Pearl razors came. And I'll be reviewing this one today. It's the Pearl open comb razor, and it's the SSH-01 model, and they call it the Classic Stubby. All right, if you're not familiar with Pearl razors, they're made in India, and they're really reasonably priced. This one retails for about $25 plus or minus. It's available on eBay and a couple of other vendors that are out there, and I'll post that in the description. And it comes in a really nice box, and within the box you get a nice plastic box, and inside the plastic box you get the razor and a Super Max Platinum blade. Well, I want to compare apples to apples, so I'm going to use the exact same items that I used in the Mula R41 shave, so then I can give a good comparison, apples to apples. So everything I used, the Razor Tobacco 2, the Persona blade, the Proraso pre-shave, and the Razor XXX, I will use with this razor. Well, right out of the box, it looks really good. In fact, it looks very comparable to the Mercure 34C or the Mercure 37C, which I own. It's almost about the same height. Now, this comes in at 3 ounces. I don't know what it is in grams, because, you know, out in America, we use the ounces and feet, but not meters and grams. But this is a 3-ounce razor, and this one checked out at 2.5 ounces. Now, right off the bat, I can tell you this handle feels good. This knurling, it's almost sharp. I mean, this is not gonna slip. The Mercure is a little smoother, so it could slip a little. There is no way this razor is gonna slip in your hand. That knurling is very sharp. It's got a nice short blade, or a short handle. So looks pretty good, feels pretty good. Let's see how it does. All right, I've got the Badger brush, Edward London Badger brush, all lathered up from the Tobacco 2. And I'm going to use the Proraso pre-shave again. We'll see how that works. Man, that stuff is strong. Whoa, no sinus problems here. All right, and we will lather up. All right. Get rid of that excess soap there. All right. Let's give this a try. Don't know if you can hear that, but it's quite audible. It feels good. Here's the tricky part. First pass went good. And it knocked that down really good. All right, time for the second pass. as I said before I started shaving, that handle is really easy to hold on to. It's not going anywhere. You can tell when I'm getting comfortable with a razor, I start to get cocky. And I was going pretty quick. And I wouldn't recommend that with an open comb of any brand. Oh man. Very nice. Very nice. Razor rock, just like last time. Love that burn. Well, nothing but good things to say about this one either. Really nice comb, open comb. Really nice open comb razor. The open combs do get you a closer shave. Is it as aggressive as the R41? No, it's a little less, but that doesn't mean I wouldn't treat this with respect. Because it does, oops, got me a tad, but that's my famous spot. It does give you a great close shave. Very good razor, very good. All right, thumbs up on the Pearl. SSH-01, is it? Just so I don't get that. SSH-01, or the Classic Stubby as it's called. Very good. All right, well, until next time, it's Ken Surfs, and have a great night.